Hello, everyone. Today I will take you to look at a factory project in Zhenjiang. The size of the air distribution pipe of the project is 1500毫米 round, 864毫米 round, and the total length of the air pipe is about 1023米 round 1500毫米 air duct is insulation air duct, round 864毫米 air duct is internal support air duct, and the color of air duct is gray. The inner support type fiber fabric duct is made of high-performance composite material with a 360° closed ring skeleton as the supporting structure, which can maintain a circular appearance in both ventilated and unventilated conditions, and the support ring is easy to disassemble and convenient to clean the fabric part. The material of the fiber fabric duct is light, which can solve the problem of the installation of steel structure air duct in industrial standard workshops. Uniform air supply in the plant can be achieved through two air discharge modes, surface fiber penetration and continuous orifice jet. Can meet the workshop dust control standards and special work cooling function.